Once you have logged into cPanel, to install WordPress, almost all the way down to the bottom of the screen, looking for the Softaculous Apps Installer. It's a funny name, but it works very well. And under there you'll see that there is a section called Scripts, and under Scripts you'll see icons that allow you to install all of the major e-commerce and content management systems that are available. And today, the one that we're interested in, of course, is installing WordPress. So, click on the WordPress icon to begin. And when you're ready, click on Install. Select a protocol, either HTTP or HTTP www, whichever you prefer. I'm going to go with simply HTTP. The domain is the domain that you have registered with this web server. If this is a brand new installation and the only one that you're going to have, then leave the directory box blank. In this case, because I already have a WordPress installation on my primary domain name, I'm just going to create a folder for it to go into. You can have as many WordPress installations on a web server as you wish, but each one after the root must have its own folder. The database name, there's no need to change that. The table prefix, no need to change that either. The site name can be whatever you want it to be. I'll just call mine Vincent Brown. And type of website, e-business consultant. Doesn't matter what you put in there because they can be changed at any time once WordPress has been installed. You don't need to enable multi-site. The username and password should be very, very strong. I like to take mine to administrator, and I like to put in a very powerful password that is unlikely to be guessed. Bring it up to strong. Alright, just remember what it is, otherwise it's a bit of a hassle after that. I want any system emails to come to me, vincent@vincentbrown.com.au. Which is English. You can limit the number of login attempts that someone makes to get into the back end of WordPress if you so wish. You also have the option to have the installation details emailed to you. That's a good idea, so you can keep that on record, so I'll put my email in there as well. And then when you're ready, simply click on Install. It takes about 10 seconds for the installation process to complete, at which point you're ready to go. And there we are. We can see now that this is the web address of our new website, WordPress website. Normally it would just end here, vincentbrown.com.au. That would be the website, but I put it into another folder called Test2, just for demonstration purposes. And also shows you how to log into the back end. And here's the address here, and it always ends in wp-admin. Let's pop in there now. And there you go. You'll now be presented with your username and password log-on screen. Simply log in with the details that you've provided, and then you'll be ready to start working in the back.